每时每刻，你与我同在。
Okay, welcome back. So right now, time check, the market just opened first 20 seconds. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you the full sequence uh, from the beginning all the way to the analysis, all the way to the execution, all right? So what we need to do right now is everybody need to stay focused, and I'm still wondering how come still got people coming in and out of our class. This is really weird, all right? So let me do something here. Okay, so everybody welcome back. We're going to start our live trading right now, and make sure you play your part, have your cameras turned on, and I will not mention it again. Later on, some of you will just disappear into the waiting room, all right? So here we go. So welcome back. First thing, the sequence that we always do leading to an opening bell is this. I'm going to show you step one, and here we go. So this is cnbc.com. I've been using this website for like 20 years already. This is like a habit for me. But what is really powerful is that it gives us a quick view of what is happening in the market. So step one right over here, you can see Dow drops more than 100 points as unemployment data disappoints traders' eye stimulus talks. All right, so this is the hottest topic of the day. And since right now, we are already in the live market, all right, opening bell 2 minutes already. Now, the moment you see down here, Dow futures means something is wrong. So what you need to do, go and refresh. So here we go. I come up to the top of the browser and I click on refresh. Make sure I got the latest data. And then right after I refresh, you can see the futures has disappeared already, right? Because right now, this is the live market. So double check, always double check here. You are on USA, not international. Double check right here, you're on US, all right? So sometimes you forgot these two steps, you're going to look at the wrong things. Now, we always look at three of the indices as our barometer: Dow Jones 30, S&P 500, and NASDAQ 100. So very easy barometer, all right? If all three are red, means tonight we have a bear market. If all three are green, means tonight we have a bull market. If two red, one green, two green, one red, means we have a confused market. Very simple, all right? But this is just for the day. It doesn't mean the big picture, all right? So don't get confused between today what you see versus the big picture. So what is the big picture that we are talking about? So right over here, let me open up the chart. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to put this side by side in front of all of you. Check this out. Okay, so right now you see how I organize my computer. I always split my computer into two parts, left and right. And how you understand all this information is, this is your sequence. So step one, you open up on the left-hand side, and whatever data I'm looking on the left-hand side, I always cross-check and verify on the chart on the right-hand side. All right, so this is the right-hand side. So Dow Jones, today all red, but what is the big picture? We are still at 30,000 range. This is a damn bull market, all right? Hello, because in the history of Dow Jones, we have not broken 30,000. So this is the big picture. Double check, click on maximum. And are we on an all-time high? Look at this. We are on an all-time high of the market. right? So right now, what I've done is the candle, instead of daily candle, each candle represents right now 1 week. So if you look at the weekly candle, you know this is like a little bit of sneezing, achoo, or coughing. So you must always keep in mind the big picture. And many times, junior traders, inexperienced traders, they freak themselves out. They just like to scare themselves out of nothing, right? So no big deal about it. So that's how we always do the cross check, right? So once you do that, I come back, always click back on 1 year. Here we go. And double check, am I on, after I click back on 1 year, I always double check, am I on the each candle 1 day, right? Double check. So this is a basic habit that you must have. And once I done that, I just organize my things. Okay, very clean. I may want to zoom in a little bit. I just give myself a reminder. Right now, we are still on the 30,000 range. Okay, so very good. I've done that already. So right now, I move back to the left-hand side. This is the header of the day. Dow drops more than 100 points. As unemployment data disappoints, traders eye stimulus talks. And this is the one that play out Donald Trump, because the Democrats were teasing him before the election, but it was intentional that they will not approve the stimulus before election, right? So right now, as the tide turns, the Democratic president won. Right now, the Republicans will play pong with them, right? So this is a forever dirty politics going on. So we've seen that already. Now I scroll down. I'm going to show you the sequence, all right? So right up here at the top, there are 3 big news. All right, depends on what is the big news of the day. Some of it, I just read basically what is the main theme, all right? So downgrades Best Buy to sell, says 2020 comeback will be hard to top. So that's the end of Best Buy. Goldman is selling short on this guy. Then how about biggest analyst calls of the day? Best Buy, Disney, 5 below, Tesla, and more. Goldman upgrades 5 below, sees 18% rally ahead as vaccine rolls out. All right, so we better go and check out what's 5 below. There's a potential 18% rally on the upside. All right, so thereby giving us a clue where are the money headed for at this moment. Okay, then I scroll down. So over here, this is everything we do here. Is I spend less than 10 minutes. This is the hottest news of the day. Jobless claims rise more than expected after break from holiday. Then Dow drops more than 100 points. We read that already. All right, so this is the hottest news of the day. Then this is the second and third hottest news. 6 things to know before FDA panel votes on Pfizer, which is right now, today, which is 10th of December, today. Okay, they're going to give approval. And Airbnb 647 billion valuation, prices shares at Lokfat, $68 in the IPO, right? So this is what's happening right now. And thereafter, my eyes are zooming to here. Please watch this part here, right? And I'll just scroll down. I just scan through very fast on, all right? Because my time is very precious. I should spend more time on analysis. So I just have a quick read through. First look at Apple's 549 AirPods Max headphone. Oh, but this, by the way, this product is really beautiful, right? And I'm very, very tempted with this AirPods Max. Next, United Airlines turn to CO2 removal technology to offset emission. Cannot make money. Day trading isn't investing, is gambling. All right, so this is his point of view. Next, what to watch? Stock set to open lower after Wednesday drop from record high. So Wednesday, we were on a record high. Today is Thursday. Move down next. Grab your checks. So everything that I read is very focused one. It must be a specific stock with a specific trigger. If something that's general, you just very quickly move up. Like Taylor Swift cannot make money, move on. Jobless claim cannot make money, move on, all right? And Melinda Gates cannot make money move on. This is the one, right? 5 below already mentioned in our memory. We need to look at 5 below Tesla later on. And top 2 performing value pays that could benefit from a vaccine rollout. So that's probably talking about 5 below. All right. Next. Google launches knowledge panels to tackle misinformation. Cannot make money next. And 5 below mentioned many times. So on the right hand side, I just look for 5 below, ticker symbol FIVE. All right. So this is a new kid on the block. Right now, 45 degrees up and away. So once I've seen this kind of data, what I must quickly translate is the insider box. So I come to here, FIVE, and let me just refresh first. Hang on a minute. Here we go. Let me log into our insider trading platform. All right, type in 5 FIVE. Here we go. Ticker symbol 5. And we open up. What I want to see is on the 4 boxes. How is it performing on the 4 boxes? I want to see the insider. So this is a habit. You must cultivate this habit. Straight away, cross-check, verify. Are the rich people putting in money? So here we go. 82 million in Q1. 171 million in Q2. Oi. Down here, Q3, there's more selling already. All right. That's why the net purchase dropped to 2.2 million. But then Q4, look at this Q4 box is higher than Q3 and Q2. So truly there's momentum already. All right. So very quick scan. Come back to here, quarterly spikes. And here we go. You look at all these crazy people doubling down. Check this out. All right. So right now I'm training myself. When I do this inspection per company, I must do it in less than 3 minutes. All right. 1 minute on the chart, 1 minute on the quarterly spikes, and 1 more minute on the top 100 money managers wings of change. All right. So I'm very productive in my time. So what am I seeing over here? Straight away, these big percentages. All right. But the money committed, not that much yet. And then I will go straight to step 3, top money, 100 money managers. You can see that there are more selling than buying, right? So this is where I'm looking at. Previously equal. Before that, there's always been more selling than buying, more selling than buying, more selling than buying among our top 100 money managers, all right? So this is not a good sign. And I take note of that. I just trying to understand why CNBC is talking about it, all right? So with that, I come back to here on the left-hand side. Continue to focus, point the arrow there, start to scroll down. All right, homeowners are 1 trillion richer thanks to pandemic-driven housing boom. And, you know, I share with you guys, there's a call for the government to launch the largest infrastructure project in the history of America to salvage this pandemic. So that has been pitched by Larry Fink of BlackRock, has been pitched by Bill Ackman of Pershing Square. And let's see how Joe Biden feels about it, all right? Then down here, stocks making the biggest move right now, Moderna, DoorDash, Best Buy, Cena, and so on. And then I just continue to scroll on, make sure I double check all this. Instagram hit says TikTok is most formidable competitor companies ever seen. Cannot make money, go on. And the rally is small cap, Trump officials. So I just very quickly just scan down and that's it. I'm done on the most important first page. So look what I've done. This is what I call the first fold. All right, please watch. This whole part here is the first fold. I finished already. You must be swift about it. And over time, when you train this form of a speed reading, you build up your intuition, all right? Really, really important. Then I just do one more check in case I got blind spot. So what I do is I show you where my eyes are looking at, right over here. I just do a quick scan again. Just make sure I capture all this little news. All right, this one. Biden's Secretary of State pick has ties to venture capital fund with national security portfolio. So is this good or bad to us? Thumbs up is good, bad, thumbs down. Show me your thumbs. Good or bad? Good or bad? Come on. For us, is anything that can help us track the insider is damn good news. All right. So this is good news. So he's very biased for this particular venture capital fund. And that's later on, you all can take the time to read it. And then we go down. Any other? Wow, this is the biggest news of today. US records 3,100 new deaths, the highest single day tally yet. So we are still having a crisis. And that's the reason why when you look at the Dow on the 30,000, it is a miracle, right? And the rest of it here, we've gone through already. So I'm done on the second fold. So very quickly, I scroll here and just make sure. Right now, I'm on the final scan through right over here. Just make sure you cover all this news. Just have a quick read. And that's how I read news, all right? Because I'm looking for very specific stock or very specific key trigger events. The rest is a waste of time, all right? Then finally here, you can just have a quick glance. That's it. I don't spend much time here. I just glance through only, right? And then I move on already. So let's continue, move on. And the rest, all this cannot make money. I'm not interested in Airbnb because I think there's a conflict here. Usually for IPO, I must be convinced beyond any shadow of doubt. All right. Now, Airbnb is like, let me just do a quick grassroots check. Would you guys, during this pandemic, go and live in an Airbnb house? If you say yes, thumbs up, no, thumbs down. Because you don't even know how the guy cleaned the house. All right. For me to live in a hotel, I'm also very nervous already. All right. So I'll let you know, they are not trained, homeowners are not trained to clean up the house really properly. All right. So doesn't make sense. Now they have to do this because, so the second question to ask you is, why in all seasons of Airbnb, why they have to do an IPO now? Wow, this is important question. Let me put this to the wisdom. Can I encourage all of you to go to wisdom? And we're going to tackle this question because it will test your understanding on one concept. Let me post the question. Hang on a minute. Why hang on, B&B must do an IPO now? So here we go. Please go right now to wisdom under polling. Please take part in this poll, right? Very, very important. Please take part in this poll. Why must Airbnb do an IPO right now? Why must Airbnb do an IPO right now? All right, some of you caught the idea already. You must always look at the market with a twisted mind. All right, it's not, you cannot look at it with a straight mind. It must be a twisted mind. And where are those students where you haven't taken part in the wisdom? May I know what are you doing? And can I please request you keep your camera on? Thank you very much. All right. So I need all of you to take part in this polling, wisdom, spiking.com/wisdom. And let's take a look. The tribe has spoken. All right. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's take a look at the tribe. And here's your answer. Because they are running out of cash. Very simple. Okay? And they don't do it now. The pandemic continues. It's a matter of time they're going to go bankrupt. They have to pull it off. and who are extremely incentivized to make sure they do an IPO? Who? The current shareholders. Because they waited so long, they are right now dying already. All right. So current shareholders will do whatever it takes, put together the market makers, the underwriters, the bankers, everybody incentivized to get out so that retail traders can come in and pick up their shares. All right. So you must think like this, and then you check, do a final grassroots check. Do you dare to live in an Airbnb? And then the answer speaks for itself. All right. So that is the final check. And that's why I'm not comfortable with this IPO. Right. So let's continue, move down. All this, I just have a quick glance, and then I just want to complete this page and I'm done already. All right. So good. Very good. I just have a quick glance. And that's my normal way of reading. So if you find it too fast, it's okay. You do it at your own pace, all right? So I just want to make sure I got no blind spot. And that's it. I'm done. So that is what I always do at the opening bell, just to what we call take a pulse of the market, feel the pulse. And then if you do this every day, Mondays to Fridays, do you know how sharp you're going to be? All right. So I want to encourage you, just spend less than 5 minutes, do this quick scan and feel the market, and you know what's going on already. Why this exercise is important? Because it will help you to connect the dots. Connect the dots for what? Playing what we need and supposed to do every single day. And here we go. Now I switch my screen right now. We're going to do the analysis part and check this out. We start from here. We start from the homepage, spiking homepage, so that you're really very comfortable. This is what you need to do. All right. So this is the homepage. So we already traded together over the Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, whereby we come to here, right? Under before spiking, resurrection, daily bread, right? We also did a triangulation, which is a new product right here. So this is where you can kind of play with it. So right now, for the purpose of today, we got one more class next week, which is the cryptos trading. So I'm going to bring you to daily bread. Let's go to daily bread. Let me go in first. Here we go. And time check, 11 o'clock, just nice. All right. And here we go. Now, I'm going to do this trick here. I'm going to select the dates from today all the way until 18th of December, right? So come to here. So today is on the 10th. I'm going to select all the way. I stretch it one more day to 19, right? Can you see that's the date range I selected? So that I have more choices in my basket, all right? Like right now, if you just go on the daily bread, there's only 47 companies for you to select for today. I want a wider range, right? So you can play a wider time range. So once I done that, I click apply. So please remember, before I click apply, just based on 10 December, there's only 47 companies that we can play, all right? I want to enlarge my basket right now. I enlarge the time, the filter of the time, and then I click apply. So 47, let's see what will happen right now. Here we go. Right now, it's increased 3 times to 149 companies. So we got a better selection of stocks, all right? So this is the part that you can manipulate to always find great companies. Don't shortchange yourself. Just play for the sake of playing. Don't do that, all right? You must really find a strong stock to play. Because at the beginning of your journey, your confidence is very important. And that's why I keep encourage you guys, got trophies, take and collect. Doesn't matter your profit is $1, 1,000, 10,000, doesn't matter. Start collecting your trophies, all right? So once I've done that, remember what is the next sequence? Right here. Because I only want to pass the due diligence based on who put the most amount of money down on the table. So I click on net positive purchase, and the robot will sort out the company's descending order based on number of net positive purchase. The quality will start with the highest first. All right. So here we go. Ta-ta-da-ta-ta. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at this date range, and straight away net positive purchase 3.6 billion, and net positive purchase close to 1 billion, 800 million, and 400 million. Just like that. These 4 companies, you would know at least 3 of them. Confirm. How many of you bought Nike before in your life? With your hands. How many of you received courier in FedEx before? With your hands. That's the grassroots check. But some of you may not know Micron, right? Micron is huge, right? Relay, maybe you've not heard of it. Don't worry. At the beginning, go out there with an inquisitive mind. Your passion is to go and acquire wisdom. That's how I always look at this, all right? But this process helps me eliminate the time wasters. What are the time wasters? No money, no talk, no honey. Very simple. No net positive purchase. Throw them aside already. All right? Because our time is very precious. So based on this 4, here we go. Right here, FedEx, we already have a position. Triggered it next Thursday. Right? How many of you already placed an order for FedEx? Wave your hands. Yeah. So that's it. Let it run. Let it run. All right. Now, maybe today, tomorrow, or Monday, you hit a 10% profit. Get out. Like for me, 10%, I'm very happy already. I've proven one very important point every single week. I can make 10% in one day. I beat all the bankers out there across the planet. 1 year, they can't even produce. 1 year, can't even produce 10%. I did it in 1 day. I'm a small guy. I'm a little David looking at a Goliath out there. So don't look down on 10%. Even Geylang #1, loan shark, 10% a day, they will want to do business with you. All right. So this is very good. So you just keep milking until before the trigger. By the time, for example, let me slow down. Let's say on Monday, you got out of FedEx 10%. After you got out, you say, wow, I want to get in again. No problem, go in again. Wednesday, you got out again 10%, 2 times already. No problem. But you see, Thursday after the bell, you announce earnings. And you hesitate. Nah, good enough. I make 2 times 10% of FedEx. I stay out. It's okay. I mean, we wave and say okay. Because this is the beginning of your journey. All right. But if you want to play out the full strategy, 3 seconds before the closing bell on Thursday, you go in again. Just to feel. Next day, spike up. Congratulations. You just want to prove a point. You get in, get out, 6 seconds, you make maybe 25%. All right. So you just keep doing that. This is the journey because we already spent time on FedEx already. Right? So next, of the 4, how should we allocate our time? So right now, this is what I'm going to do. Please watch. I do not know what computer you're using. I'm using Mac. All right. So for Mac, I press the command button and tap on relay. And straight away, you see there's a new tab here. That's called opening a new tab on your browser. Please learn this skill, all right? Micron tab, open a browser. Nike tab, open a browser, all right? Now, how many additional browsers should you open? Depends. I go down to the second row right now. All right, what is the net positive purchase? 200 million, 200 million, 200 million, and 200 million. All right. So now you got another 4 candidates. You got so many things to do, no? Okay. Now for me, I just do a simple grassroots check. Anything to do with resorts, holiday, cruise, I don't have a good vibes. My grassroots check is I don't dare to go out. Why should these people go out to go and stay in resorts? I don't think it's a good idea. Now, restaurants is very interesting. Restaurants right now is depending on the lockdown situation in the US. Now, you just read the news just now on CNBC. Did we hit an all-time high for COVID-19? Wave your hands, hello? Yes. So you're not comfortable already because remember, when you process the information, oh my God, COVID-19 all-time high, hospitalization all-time high in US, and you go and play restaurant, what will happen to you? You will go crazy. You will suffer from bipolar disorder, delusional. You become delusional, and then you see hallucination. You start to go crazy because something is not in sync right now. Are you with me? So do things that consistent all the way. Then you won't ask question in Facebook group that says, how come this guy spiked down when I thought it's a perfect stock? And then the net positive purchase is 10 million. Are you with me right now? Okay, do every step that satisfy you. Now, Carnival Corp, I'm interested. I don't know what is this about. I want to take a look. Lana, I'm interested. I want to take a look. So this guy out, this guy out. I got 2 more guys. Go and command, tab, command, tab. Right now I got 6 candidates already. I'm very busy, tonight. Tonight I'm busy, Ray. I got 6 guys to analyze on my friends. All right. So if I go down one more time, and here we go. What is the range? Now drop to below 180 million, 163 million, 137 million, 100 million. It starts to go down already, right? So today, my question, the grassroots question for all of you is, you can keep pushing to analyze as many companies as you want. But right now, you appreciate the beauty of the 5% golden commandment. What does it say? You should only play 1 company per day. Then you're forced to do only 1 guy, the best guy. If every day you're forced to do only 1 good guy, you can only become better. Okay? So you can see the dilution effect start to kick in already. From 1 billion now become 100 million net positive purchase. And that's, you be a swift guy, chop, 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 chop. Find the best guy to play. Don't shortchange yourself. Okay? So right now we got 6 guys to analyze. Let's do it together. Here we go. Let me organize my share screen. And here we go. Likewise, I'm going to do this on the left and on the right. On the left is the chart. On the right are the companies I selected just now. Let's start with Relay. Click. And straight away, RLAY on the left. I got a big chart on the left. And I got my 4 quadrants. Holy moly. Q3 alone. This guy probably a very new company, just IPO. Attracted 3.6 billion. But remember, this is a young company. That's why the chart is only so short, all right? So short duration. So let's go through. Why are we excited about this company? This is your fiat analysis here, right? So from here, this is all about FDA. And the nearest, holy mama, the nearest phase 1 is December 2021. Can you wait long? Can you see it or not? Now, You want to save the world, but you have to wait damn long. No, solid tumors. That's the only trigger. So when you look at like this and you say, oh, do I want to play or not? This is a new company. Can you afford to wait long with them? All right. So that is always the question I ask. And then I just want to give the company one more chance. No problem. I know they are into solid tumor, and that's about it. That's the only thing in their pipeline. Never mind. I want to see who is crazy enough to put money down. Okay. The lead big brother Taikor is 1.2 billion. SB Investment Advisors, 1.2 billion. All right. And my superhero bought into it, Joseph Edelman. Remember these two names, Baker Brothers and Joseph Edelman. They are the two best experts in FDA pharmaceutical trial. All right. Oh, my hero is here. 96 million. Not bad. All right. My hero is here. That's a positive sign. Then I kind of check on the shareholders. Where do they stand? Oh, SoftBank is taking the lead, Mama. Masayoshi-san. Okay. So they are investor of Grab, which is a Singapore proud story. So Grab is the wannabe of Uber, but it has transformed itself. Right now, they cover everything under the sun for Grab. Congratulations. And right over here, you start to go down. Third Rock, Kevin Starr, Mark Levin, Third Rock, Robert Tepper. All right. So these are the guys. And just to have a basic understanding, all right, doesn't mean you have to go and play them. Top 100 money managers. Wow. So many of them. 336 million committed by our top 100 money managers. And of which Joseph Edelman commanded 1/3. Check this out. This calculation, you must be very fast on your mind one. Right? 415 million. Joseph Edelman alone, 120 million. Okay? So it's a very big portion. So all these guys are committed already. They cannot afford to see the price go down. All committed already, right? So this is what it is. And then let's go through the complete analysis. I done the check here already. One more time. The 3-minute check. The chart, the quarterly spike, and the winds of change. I done already. I just did additional steps because I got a little bit more time. I just come and check who's the shareholder. I'm done. Okay? Close. Now, if I want to play, I do my FIAT. Right? But you must know, this guy is a new kid on the block. You won't have much data one, right? IPO in July only. So you go down. What's the latest news? Nothing much. All right, down here we got all the guys who put in money. I just like to do one more hygiene check. Control F. Pension. No pension fund invested in it. Retirement. No retirement fund. So this is a risky venture. Okay, so all of you noted that there's no pension fund, no retirement fund. You already know. Is it conservative or risky? You already know. I already share with you. So please do that hygiene check. And okay, don't have the conservative funds there. What else? Price target. Okay, it has already reached its price target. And the drug ECOR1 peach. All right. And this looks like a long-term buy. All right. So some of you from the dark side, you would like to go long-term, then this is your candidate. All right. But remember, you go through the up and down, right? And click here. What is the price target? Why are they excited about this? Because the real price target they are after is 46. Okay. So right now at 51, nice round number 50. And right now I begin to formulate a thesis on my mind. Target 46, right now 51. You know what? For the fun of it, I want to own this company at $50 for the fun of it. Are you with me right now? But how to formulate the ultimate reason? This is my challenge. Every time you do your analysis, you must conclude with the ultimate reason. So I've not found my ultimate reason yet. All right. So let me go down. All this is talking nonsense, talking nonsense, talking nonsense. No real business. The ultimate reason must be centered around the business. All right. So I go down. Are they talking about the business? Nope. So end of this article. Next. What is the ultimate reason? Here. All right. These are just insider. We already know about insiders. I want to know the business. No, this is waste of time. Next. I want to know the business. ECOR1. This is the business. Here we go. Okay. Right here. It develops small molecule therapies leveraging its know-how in protein motion. Its Dynamo platform, which integrates experimental computational approaches, and enables it to be more effectively identify previously undruggable protein targets. Very technical, is okay. Then that's about it. No more already. No more news about it already. We only know it can manipulate the undruggable protein targets, all right? And that's it. No other comments, right? So this one is a waste of time. But I just know one more piece of information about it. There's another one here. Okay, read with free trial. What is this? Yeah. Okay, this one cannot read. Doesn't matter. Next one. Maybe here. Dosing underway. Okay. Okay, so this is about intrahepatic carcinoma cancer, and solid tumors harboring a fibroblast growth factor receptor 2. Okay, very technical. Right now, got 125 patients. All right. And they are only at the beginning only. Oh, okay. So they are all in the phase 1. Can you see? All in the phase 1 clinical trial. It's too early already. Okay. So if you want to go in for this game, you must be patient to wait out at least 3 years. Each year is one phase. Phase 1, year 1, phase 2, year 2, phase 3, year 3. So I can't find my ultimate reason other than doses the first patient at the beginning of the trial. Oh my God. So we are still far away. But of course, all these guys come in with the long-term view. And can you see, if you go in to play with them, you already lost already. Their average price is 20. If I buy 50, I'm already double of what they are paying already. All right. So that's processing in my mind. And finally, maybe the CEO can give me the ultimate reason. All right. One last check right here. CEO, Pantel Sanjeev. Click on him. Let's see how much he's worth. Here we go. He's a $69 million man. He just bought 500,000, not really committed for fun, just to send a signal to the market. All right, so this trade itself in July is already up 187% over 89 days. All right. Now, what's the meaning of that? He bought on 20th of July. Please watch. 20th of July is probably this candle. Now, if you follow him for this trade, you have to go through this constipation, diarrhea, vomiting, heart palpitation, sleepless night, delusional, bipolar, schizophrenia before you can celebrate. Okay? This is for those of you who love long-term investing. This is your path. So let's do a quick grassroots check. Let me put out the survey right now. So we just finished the first company analysis, and I'm going to post create the poll question. What is that question? It's called relay, right? Hold on a minute. Would you play relay? All right. So go to Wisdom right now and submit your votes. Go to Wisdom right now and submit your votes. Would you play relay? It's either yes or no. Very simple one. All right. Just do a quick grassroots check. And the tribe has spoken. Here we go. Take a look at the answer. Mama. Wow, you all come out very creative answers, huh? Run away. Okay. If you say no, I want to make sure you all can really handle the no. What if it spikes up? Can you accept it? Can you accept it if it spikes up because you say no right now? Can? Now, why is this important? Because we must stick to our rules of engagement. We went through the analysis. We say, no, this is not right for me. So what if it spikes up? We stick to our rules. If you keep changing the rules, you keep getting confused. Right? So this is a process I'm putting all of you through right now, so that you stick to it and live by it. And what if it spikes down? You say, okay, up or down doesn't matter. I already moved on already. This company at this season of our investing trading, not suitable for us. Unless you are expert in FDA, you can wait 3 years, 5 years, then please go in together with Joseph Edelman, all right? Because right now they are only on phase 1 clinical trial. You can anytime come back and play this company because we done the analysis on it already. You recognize it already. So you can come in later on and take part in it, all right? So nothing is wasted one when we perform an analysis. So very good. Let's continue. So what must you do after you finish this analysis? Close off relay. Close off relay. Next candidate, Micron. Dun, 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 dun. And for Micron, this is Micron Singapore, right? They have a factory here in Singapore. So take a look. Your grassroots check even better right now. Confirm you sure have some friends, relative, army mates, your village, somebody who has worked in Micron or still working in Micron. Go and do your grassroots check. Very easy one, all right? If you don't have, just call up the company and talk to anyone you want. I do that all the time. All right, I say, hello, I'd like to speak to the CEO. And the PA say, oh, CEO is engaged in a meeting. Why are you looking for him? My name is Dr. Clemen Chiang. I'm a very serious investor. I like to speak to the CEO. Dr. Chiang, sorry, our CEO, as I shared with you, he's engaged in a meeting. And is there a message you'd like to leave for our CEO? I repeat again, I'm a very serious investor. Oh, by the way, can you tell me today, is he happy or sad? And then the PO laugh. What a funny question. Oh, my boss today is very happy. Thank you very much. Go and buy right now. You know, I do that all the time in the past. One day before the earnings or on the day when it's about to announce the earnings after the market closes, I will specifically call the personal assistant of the CEO. And this is not a joke. I literally ask them like that. Is he happy or sad today? Very simple, casual question. And sometimes the PA will just laugh it off and tell, oh, he's very cheerful today. And you know the company will beat earnings. Okay? So that's the extent I go to do my grassroots check. And it's very fun. I mean, it's we are a very serious player. We want to know more about the business. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So coming back, let's do right now. We are on Micron. So straight away, my habit right now for Micron is this. Here we go. On the left, put up the big guy. As you can see, on the left, seems like to be an all-time high. Double check, click on maximum. Holy moly, highest price 91 back then, just shift. And right now, over the last 10 years, this is over last 10 years, 2010 to 2020, it has hit an all-time high over the last 10 years, all right? Double check, zoom in, 72. The moment we look at 72, what must we tell ourselves? Everybody, please listen up. When we look at 72, what must we tell ourselves immediately? We must straight away say, this guy, hold on a minute. Let me redo. The moment is 72, I will straight away aim for the nice round number 100. Okay? Anything that's near to 100, everybody will collectively push it to 100. This is called the nice round number. So straight away, I have a target for Micron. If the insiders are with me, we'll push it to 100. So let's double check on that. Here we go. Where's my annotation? And how to double check on that? Click on beta. Tong. And da, 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 da. Here we go. Q1, 612 million. Q2, negative 700 million. Oi! Q3, positive 800 million. Oh. And why this quarter so special? Why this quarter is like crazy? Oi! Something is brewing. Okay? So you're seeing it right now. You're seeing right now. So this is the biggest turnaround. And from here, you will understand how powerful our green box is. Can you see? Hang on a minute. Let me show you. Please focus. If you enter on the first candle of the green box here, $60. Right now it's raised 71. This is our green box. Right? Because we only know the full data of this 796 on the first candle here. That's why we can keep milking it. But of course, today you guys only started your options class, right? So you will take note next quarter, 16th of February, first candle of the green box. You can have the confidence already. This is how we play it, all right? But we are playing this guy to see whether we can make some money on the earnings. So here we go. Within 3 minutes, second minute, quarterly spikes. Do we have crazy idiots putting more money? Yes, confirm. 100%, 400%, 800%. And so right now, this season, looks like there are many, 3 of them are top 100, all right? So I have a quick glance about it. Next, winds of change. Aha! Aha! See for yourself right now. Look here. Q1, 1 billion versus 500 million. Bullish. You saw that already. All right. And then Q2, winds of change. Everybody sell off. Yeah. Q3, everybody came back. That's the winds of change. And that's what pushing the price up. So this one right now looks very positive. Just on this 3-minute inspection, we are done. So let me complete my FIAT right now. Dong, 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 dong. Here we go. Out of 10, we got 9.4. Very good. Positive net purchase, 800 million. Calls and put, there's no bias. Stay true to it. Spikes positive. Out of 59 events, spike up 56 times, 94%. Very good. So I'm done on fundamental analysis. I know this guy has a good chance to spike, all right? Now, step 2. I go and perform my technical analysis. Very good. Right over here, last 5 events, spike up 5 times. 5 out of 5, dong, 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 dong. Good. Insider, we already witnessed the winds of change. We just have to recognize the big brother, David Tepper, Kenneth Griffin, David Gold, Seth Common. These are the big brothers that we need to recognize, all right? Together, they put in a lot of money. And then you just have a quick look. Wow, this is very substantial money, all right? And how many top 100 involved? 28 out of 100, they are involved in this guy. Very beautiful, right? So we are done on that. The last thing to perform is the alert analysis. Here we go. Point an arrow right here. And we start the process. 28 news. Dong. So just by reading like this, global solid state drive market trends. Chinese chipmaker in default of $2.5 million bonds. Nothing to do with our Micron. All right. And just have a quick look. Bull of the day. Micron. 9th of December yesterday. Why? Click. Because right now, we are looking for ultimate reason already. We are very focused right now. It's one of the leading providers of semicon memory solutions. Manufactures market high performance memory and storage technologies. All right. So from here, remember, $50. All right. Their standard average price is about $50. You must be very sensitive when you see any price target. All right. So it raised, the company raised its guidance. Last week only. Damn it. Last week only. Raised guidance, which has helped the stock to take off and hit all-time high. That's the reason why it's all-time high. They have raised their guidance. 40,000 employees, very good. Market cap 80 billion. So September announced 8% to the upside. All right. 9 plus 3, 12. December is the next announcement. Double check when is the announcement date. 16th of December, next Wednesday, 1 day before our FedEx. All right, we are very focused right now already. Next Wednesday, all right, very good. And last week, the company raised its guidance back to previous level. And here go down. CEO comments. Saw strength pretty much across the board. All right, very good. And pointed to strength in pricing, mitigating Huawei ahead of schedule. Strong execution, strength in DRAM, and say company is well positioned for both cost and performance moving forward. Wow. And here we go. 85. Dong dong. We are right now 71, pointing at 85 right now. We got 2 targets already. So take out a calculator. 85 minus 70, estimate $15 profit divided by 70. You're looking at 20% on the upside on the stock. Options times 10, about 200% for options profit. So that's how your mind think already. You're setting yourself up for 200% return for options, 20% for stocks. So halfway down of that, you probably get 10% profit on stocks, 100% on options. So your mind start to think about this. But we are not stopping here. We have not found our ultimate reason yet. Here we go. Dong dong. Ultimate reason. Now loose set to breaking out after surpassing the 2018 high and then pull back to 64. Right now it's 71. Okay, I need the ultimate reason. So this is the one that's important. Ready? Here we go. AMD and NVDA. Can it follow the likes of AMD? And probably not, but with the momentum and earnings growth behind the name, the stock looks to trade much higher from current level. All right. And you go down. It is expected to create biggest tech breakthrough in generation. Be among the early investors. No, this one is this one is nonsense. This is advertisement already. So we stop at here, right? So this is the news. This article, my biggest takeaway is 85. So I better put it down here so I remember it. So I got 100 to chase. I got 85 to chase. I got 2 price target to chase already. Okay. And then do you not realize that everybody look at the camera? All this started because of why? Net positive purchase. And when we start to connect all this news, it makes sense already. Oh, that's why the insiders put in so much money. Fundamental, technical, alerts analysis. It start to connect. You guys got it right now? Hello? Wave your hands. Yes? That sequence is very important. We wouldn't have the conviction to read the article if we didn't know about what? Holy moly. How come got 800 million came in last quarter? That's what they are looking at. And the moment 800 million came in, they announced positive guidance ahead of the earnings. Right? Earnings next Wednesday. So this is the whole process. And from here, I see what other I still need to push for my ultimate reason other than the target price of 85. So let's push. We did this bull of the day. Buy soaring Micron stock as a semiconductor market play, 8 December. Here we go. All right. I need to find my ultimate reason. Memory comeback. Micron is one of the largest makers of DRAM and NAND memory chips. Okay. Has been hurt by pricing for over 1 year. And then what happened? Let me just change this to a box so that we can read. And investors should also know Wall Street treat the memory space more like commodity. This makes Micron even more susceptible to prices. All right. So turn around. The memory chip downtrend was smaller. Posted. Okay. So this one continue. And what's happening here? How come no sign?
Howard Ward, Gabelli Fund's CIO of Growth Equities, predicted that the U.S. economy could see sustainable recovery in the third quarter of this year at the latest, although he stated the importance for equity investors to see light at the end of the tunnel and have confidence that there will be more of an upturn in coronavirus outbreak shuttering many businesses. Schoenstein acknowledged market volatility lows. Executive Director Fatih Birol tweeted that
Nope, not about Micron. Let's move on. Okay, so what did the CEO say? Okay, I got my ultimate reason ready. Here we go. Let me ask all of you to focus on this. and I prepared the survey. Hold on a minute. I want you guys to go and read, and then we're going to take part in the polling. Here we go. Word cloud. What is the ultimate reason for Micron launch? Boys and girls, please go to the polling. Go to the polling right now and put down your ultimate reason. And all this will make sense one. And you keep pushing until you can connect the dots and go for it. Go for it. What is the ultimate reason? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the tribe has spoken. Here we go. Look at the tribe. And you guys got it. 5G driven by 5G. Okay? So we work really hard on Micron. We keep pushing it until we found the ultimate reason. So right now, we are fully confident, Ray. How many of you feel confident about Micron right now? Wave your hands. Yay! All right. So yes, the backing of the CEO, the insiders, everything, the stars are aligned. Why? Because the overall climate is for 5G growth. Please remember that, all right? Just like T-Mobile, just like Apple, driven by 5G. The only distraction we have in the market right now is this COVID-19. So take out your IB app right now. We never waste time one. Dun, 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 dun. So let me put up my chart. Where is my chart right now? Dun, 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 dun. MU. Tong. 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 Okay. So first of all, step one, please listen carefully. I'm going to show you on the, okay, let me show you the chart first. Where's my chart here? Okay, so the chart is showing up here. Ready? Right now, go to IB, open up your IB. We have yet to decide, is it going to play stocks or options? So we have to let our strike prices and our expiration date determine that for us, right? So please click on trade at the bottom, followed by codes, and search for MU, search. All right, so, and make sure you select on options. So how do I do this? Let me see. Okay, down here, hang on a minute. Install. Wait, I'm installing a plugin. Where's the plugin? Zoom. Okay. So what I want to do is to show you this part here, right? You start off from trade. Then you go and search for Micron. Now you select on options, all right? I wait for you. Please do that right now. And tap on options. So straight away, we are in the month of December, you must +3. January, February, March. We need 2 triggers. Next week earnings and the next quarter earnings, right? So the next earnings will be in March. you must select expiration date that goes past March. So the best candidate is April. All right, so that's the logic. So you tap on April. And right now, the stop price is 71. Now look over here. We are very lucky. We have very, very good intervals of the strike prices. Right? So let me move this up. So nearest out of the money means above 71. And above 71 is 72.5. Can you see that? So between 70 and 72.5 is where we are right now, in the middle, 71. Nearest out of the money, 72.5. Select 72.5. Tong. And straight away, IB will show you here. All right? Double check. Always double check two components. Number one, expiration date, April. Did it pass to trigger? Yes. Next week earnings, next quarter earnings. Always plus 3. 12 plus 3. January, February, March. I selected April. Very good. More than safe. And April is what the CEO is telling us. We are damn good right now. we cost cutting, we got better operation, and all the technical words. Oh, fulfill his vision already. Second component, strike price. Nearest out of the money, stop price 71. Nearest out of the money is above the stop price 72.5. Tap. Go straight to buy. And here we go. We straight away come over here. Quantity and price, right? So right now you're looking at here. This is the price range. All right, 72, 760 and 780. Can you see? It's a very good, right? Because it's very close. The bid and ask price are very good. So you don't have to worry about implied volatility, your Greeks and all that nonsense, right? I will just place 760. Because why? 780 is the ask, 760 is the bid. I always look opposite. Remember? So type in 760. Tong. Now, how many contracts am I going to buy? Maybe I try 7 contracts. But always remember, click on preview. Double check. That is your safety net. All right. Click on preview. And very nice. What does it tell me? About 5,000. Usually each game I place about 5,000. All right. So it's about 5,000 right here. So I say very good. Double check. I'm getting a price 760 and slide to submit to buy. Yes. Yes. Submitted. Not filled yet. All right. So right now I'm tempting the market maker to come to me at 760. So they will drop. And let's wait for a while because we still have some time. All right. So I'm done already. So that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have played our first game. Okay. So let me do a quick grassroots check. How many of you have fired off your order already? Wave your hand. Woohoo! And the strike price is 72.5. So let me walk you through so that you don't suffer from heart attacks. Okay, here we go. You have bought at a strike price of 72.5. So what I will do is like this. Watch. This is my bought leg. My maximum territory is $5. So it'll be 67.5 here. Okay. But of course, right now you cannot see the territory that beautiful. What I'll do is I'll enlarge it. I'll enlarge it. Ah, this is nicer already. Ready? Now I'm 72.5. 67.5 will be here. Okay. So what is the game plan? If from now until next Wednesday, no news yet, right? Until next Wednesday, what time we announce the earnings? Let me double check. Next Wednesday is Micron. No time supply yet, so we do not know the time. Is it before, during, or after? Never mind, right? So if it spikes up or it trades up leading to next Wednesday, what I'll do, 10% profit, I take and run already. All right. Now let's say nothing happens, it continue to move sideways, so it's fine. So and the moment the earnings was announced, 3 scenario. Spike up, easy, no brainer. Buy low, sell high, make money. All right. So this is where we always get out. For me, I always get out in the first 3 seconds of the opening bell. Okay. What happened if it goes sideways? Not up, not down. If I got 10 cents profit, I get out already. If I got 5 cents profit, I get out because I don't like to wait. You have already finished the trigger. Please understand. Quickly get out, move on to play the next spike. Are you with me? Hello? Wave your hand if you understand. Yep. Okay. Scenario number 3, spike down. Beautiful. Set up for salvation. How to do that? If it spikes down over here, so let me give you an exact spot. Let's say it end up here. As long as you can get a net positive credit, you can execute the salvation. All right. So it may happen like this. Let me show you what will happen, what might potentially happen. All right. So you start to trade here, trade here, trade here, and then you start to trade here, trade here. Oops, hang on. Start to trade here, and then start to trade here. Okay. Now, some of you, first time, you are over tempted by your greed. When it's so high above your wallet, you still refuse to sell. You say, oh, on the earnings, it will spike up even higher. I can make more money, right? And Murphy law kicks in. At this point, because you fail to profit take, it spiked down exactly in the middle of your territory. Can you all see that right now? Now, if that's the case, then you have a perfect setup of executing the spiking salvation strategy. Okay? So that's the perfect setup. Because the whole world expect this guy to spike up. And then we execute that, all right? So I've already lined up the game plan for all of us, right? Along the way, take profit. You can always stay true until trigger event, take profit or salvage, or don't do anything, or take 5 cents and get out. So all of you confirm, understand, wave your hands. Okay, if you understand, wave your hands, huh? All right, so I really need you all to really play through with this. This is your first experience for options. I want it to be a profitable trade for you. As you can see, we really push the boundary very hard and thereby fulfilling our fiat analysis. All right, so that's game number 1. Give yourself a big round of applause. Yay! Now the time is still young. Let's press on. Dun, 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 dun. How many of you are enjoying yourself so far? Yay! All the crazy people. Okay. So we are done on Micron already. Very good. So what you do is you close off it. You have made up your mind. Please make sure anytime anybody asks you, what's your ultimate reason for Micron? You must say out in one line, because 5G is here. Done. My ultimate reason done already. And 5G needs Micron. That's it. All right. The little peripheral details you already know. Net positive purchase, positive guidance. CEO is very upbeat, and this is a turnaround. That's about it, right? Nvidia is around, AMD is around. That's about it. But the most important reason is operating a positive 5G climate. Okay, close. Chart keep there.
That global oil demand.
Close. Next, our favorite brand. Just do it, Nike. Mama. Step one, I do the 3-minute check. Very fast one. Ready? Go. Beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Negative 1.6 billion, mama. Drop to negative 100. Increase to positive 400. Do we have a higher red box for Q4? Yes. 1 minute gone. Step 2. Wow. I see many above 100. I'm very excited. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's take a count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! 4. 5, mama. All above 100. This is damn strong. How many superheroes we have? 1, 2, 3. Done. Do one very easy check. Big brother Taiko. Tong. Wow, there's a big change of mind, man. Mama, I like this. Okay. 24 million shares, 24, 28. Times, don't know how many, times 3. Lost. Sold off, sorry. Dropped to 11, dropped to 6.8. 6.8 times 2.6. Woohoo! Major change of mind. Sell off 1.8 billion, sell off 300 million, buy 2.2 billion, mama. This takes very big effort, let me tell you, very big effort to have such a major shift in 3 quarters. Sell 1.8, sell 300, buy 2.2. And he buy 2.2, not cheap, you know. Average price has shot up $112. And when they sold that time, it was $90, $80. That guy better kill himself, all right? He sell low, buy high. Opposite. Can you all see that? Sell low, buy high. So this is what we want to see, all right? Very clear. He better know something is up. All right, so this is the insider trail and winds of change. Dun, 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 dun. You saw it, mama. Here we go. Q1, more buying than selling. Q2, more buying than selling. Q3, extreme, 749. Q2, 500. Q1, 600. Now they are very positive about Nike. There you go. So, I'm curious about the top 10 shareholders. Did they change their position? All right, very little change. Big jump here. This guy want to go into top 10 already. The rest is minor change, minor change. Okay, I think this season, Price Tiro got the insider information. All right, very obvious. Very, very obvious. So let's complete our Fiat analysis. Here we go. On the left, NKE. Oh, this is a rocket, man. Mama, this is like mama. Okay, click on maximum. What's the all-time high? This is the historical All-time high of Nike. They done it. All right. Despite the stock split, they still keep climbing. This is a miracle product. Wow. It's damn crazy they can do this, man. It's damn good. All right. So now, what is my mindset? Oh, shucks, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Hang on. This is what I'm seeing. On the left, the chart, all right? It's a miracle to produce this kind of result in this climate. And once I look at this visual, what is really on top of my mind right now? Test question. Now my mind is all set up to find the ultimate reason. Can you please go to live chat room and type in ultimate reason so that you lock in your memory? You must find the ultimate reason. Don't stop here. You push the boundary until you find the ultimate reason to explain the phenomena. Why insiders, everybody is consistent. What are they looking at? How come we are missing it? Universe of funds, consistent. Top 100, consistent. They must know something that we do not know. So my mind is all geared up. I need to know the ultimate reason. Here we go. Tong. Step 1. Fundamental, perfect score of 10. Very good. It is unbelievable, all right? Net positive purchase. 43 out of 43 times, 100%. Very good. Here we go. Scroll down. When is the earnings? 18th of December. Wow, we are very busy next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Micron. Thursday, FedEx. Friday, we got Nike and Z-Lab. Wow, we are very busy. Very powerful week, okay? Tong, tong, tong. So over here, 22 out of 100, and Nick Schomer is the number 1 of our top 100 list. Number 1. Number 1, believe in the story. Scroll down. Number 3, believe in the story. Warren Buffett, 2-0 for Nike. He didn't believe in the story. Okay, so Warren Buffett will never buy into fashion brands. So let's continue. Dong. And here we go. I'm all about finding the ultimate reason. I need to know the ultimate reason. Nike to manage e-commerce search. Click on it. Dong! Here we go. Why didn't they use a FedEx picture? That would be perfect already. Why did you go and use UBS? Right. Okay. So we are here to find the ultimate reason for Nike, all right? So stay focused. As pandemic fuel online shopping, that is the reason, but still not strong enough. All right? To the extent this stupid company, instead of solving their own internal problem, they say they don't pick up. This is a lousy company, right? Okay, let's press on. We are pressing on. And we go paragraph by paragraph. Okay, here we go. Let me make sure it's bigger, right? Make sure it's bigger. At least like that. Yeah, it's more focused right now. Okay. And this supports our thesis on FedEx. Please read here. Pandemic-fueled online shopping season is stretching delivery networks to their limits. So again, we are reinforcing, connecting the dots for a play that we already started on Monday, FedEx. Please wave your hands, hello. So you must remember all this is connecting our dots, all right? And thereby you are getting more and more confident already. Even though we are looking at Nike, it helps us on our FedEx. Okay, so who's affected? Stop picking up packages of 6 retailers. Bean 1, Hot 2, Network 3, Macy's 4. Where's the other two? Where's the other two? I think Nike got involved. Gap and Nike, damn it. Nike got affected. Yeah. So UPS is not helping Gap and Nike, okay? I got that on my mind. But that doesn't stop Nike to shift the shipping to FedEx. All right, so we must think like that. And oh, our FedEx got mentioned again. FedEx have raised prices. Saw that! Saw that! Woohoo! Y'all saw that? Raised prices. Confirm. All right, that's the hairstand moment. Confirm. Are y'all with me right now? Hello. This is the epiphany hairstand moment. You know, when you read and you connect the dot, bam, got it. Raised prices. And not only that, it promised to hold merchants, FedEx who hold merchants to volume agreement. Wow, very good. The temporary limit is a sign that UPS is metering the flow of packages into the network to preserve its performance during one of the busiest weeks of the year. Holy moly. Okay. Busiest shipping weeks of the year. Online shopping jumped 44% over a recent 5-day stretch that included Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Good. Okay. I still haven't found my ultimate reason for Nike yet, man. I got to find Nike. So the rest over here is more about UPS. I got to read faster. I'm wasting a lot of time right now. So this is what's on my mind. Skip, next. Okay, this one mentioned FedEx, worth reading. Tight capacity, don't know what's that. Okay, FedEx big retail customers include Walmart. UPS is Amazon, all right? Okay. Nope, nothing much. Nothing much. Nothing much. No Nike, I need Nike, I need Nike. Aye, Nike appear. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. A Nike spokeswoman said, the sportswear maker expects the majority of these orders to meet estimated delivery dates and are communicating consumers any changes in delivery, all right? So Nike is still smooth on the operational side of things. No problem. Okay, we are done on this article. We spent a lot of time on this article. And what is my ultimate reason? Not a very strong one yet. It's called a pandemic-fueled online shopping. But I need to find something related to Nike very closely. I need to push the boundary. I'm not happy yet. Let's go back to our dots here. So we designed this product so that you can see all this is like connecting the dots, right? So make sure we really push the dots. Push the dots. 9 December, today is 11, all right? 9 December, 9 December. Okay, they have an increase in dividend. This is no big matter. I want to take a look at this report on Zacks. Here we go. What did they say about Nike? I need to know. Where's Nike? Okay, that's Motorola. Okay, we got one whole paragraph. Nice. Here we go. Okay, I'm looking for my ultimate reason. So there's a dividend payout rate of 51%, all right? Shift to a digital ecosystem, that's good. Online sales. Believe digital acceleration reflects the strategic shift. Even as stores reopen, the coming economic weakness, strong digital trend. Okay, that's so far so good. And digital, robust growth in digital business despite soft retail traffic and wholesale revenue. Okay, so Nike is housed with shoes and retail apparel industry carries a Zack. Okay, so not very specific yet. I want to do one quick grassroots check. I want to go to cnike.com and see what's happening there. Okay, this is the latest commercial. The rest looks like the same. Yoga, more Nike, all right. Okay, nothing big difference here. Okay, still all going. Still same. Nope, I want to push some more. Not good enough. One more. I need one more. One more. Let's go through the dots again. I need the ultimate reason. Must be very, very strong, right? Okay, Apple CEO came to sell off Nike. 7 million. I think this is no big deal. And then I click here. Okay, let's do our hygiene check. Pension fund. Okay, we got pension fund, Canada pension fund involved. Good. How about retirement fund? Nope, don't have. Only got pension fund. No, Temasek. Do we have Temasek? No, we don't have Temasek. Okay. Okay, I done the check. We got one pension fund. Good enough. So come back here and click back. Any other things that I can take a look? Nope. Okay, all this selling is normal one, all right? Is part of their compensation package. The last earnings, the stock price spike up 12%. So you can see over here, this was in September, right? So I'm just going down. Any other news I can detect? No. No. But right now the price is pretty high, all right? Any other news? No. Okay. So right now, I'm formulating my ultimate reason. Looks like I have to bang on this guy already, this $2.2 billion guy. 2 consecutive quarters of selling and ramp up to 2.2 billion, all right? So he's probably thinking about the pandemic. He knows the sales has turned around. He probably did some inspection on the storefront sales, as well as probably check with the courier, how's the delivery order for Nike and so on, and he upped his stakes. And then I come back here, my ultimate reason is the T-roll. And other than that, I come back, look at the chart. Is the table higher? Yes. And we have 2 very positive reasons to play this game. Because right now we are stepping into December. This is announcing earnings for Q3, all right? Q3. And then next earnings announcement will be in March. They'll be announcing the results for Q4. So Q4, they confirm do very well already. So I know for sure my second trigger earnings will be strong. Right now, I'm going in because I got a net positive purchase. there's somebody crazy enough to double up. And then over here, I got all this 100%, more than 100% commitment, all right? So with that in mind, here we go. Please take out your IB app. Time to fire, all right? Here we go. So right now, they are most likely going to chase for $150. The next round number. And take out our IB app. Here we go. All right. So click on trade followed by quotes. Oh, why is my phone so slow right now? Okay. Hang on a minute. Where am I right now? Okay. So trade followed by code NKE. Search and click on options. So options, we select two combination of two things. Number one, expiration date. It must go past March, so we must touch April 2021. The strike price right now, stop price is 13788. All right, so let's look at the strike. Nearest out of the money, it'll be 140. 140. Now it's a little bit dangerous right now. Wait, let me explain to you. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Please look at the screen. We could select either between 140, which is here, and if we execute the salvation, it'll be 135. Right? So that's our territory. So always think about your territory, all right? Very, very important. So right now, the stop price is in the middle of our territory. If it spikes down, you touch 135, we are not going to get net positive credit, all right, when we deploy our salvation. So there's a danger on here. There's a danger on here. Let me double check. Is this a valid danger? 137. 137 is coming down because it hit an all-time high. All right, so there are people selling, going down. We are next week. Double check what's the date. Where's my date? 18. Oh, we got one full week. Friday to Friday, all right? We got one full week. So, okay, we got one full week. So, we got one full week. Because of that, I kind of like 140 strike. So, please listen up. I'm selecting April expiration, 140 strike. Why? Because we got one more week to the earnings, which is next Friday, all right? We got one full week. So this will give us sufficient time to do what? To do this. Please watch. So you must imagine you come down here like that, maybe come down here like that, and then some positive news, then go up like that, then go up like that. All right. So I always imagine. So you must imagine how you play out. So this is like scenario planning, right? So you just imagine. Because we have sufficient 1 week for it to move before the trigger date. So that's it. April 140 call strike. Here we go. And it's very nice bid ask price, 950, 930. Click on buy. And I'll buy at 930. Always buy opposite $9.30. Preview, how much is that? $900. So maybe I buy 5 contracts. Preview. $4,600. If I buy 6 contracts, let me see how much. Preview. 5,005. Okay, I'm buying 6 contracts. $9. Confirm $9.30. Confirm. Wait, hang on. Something wrong with the price. How come it's showing $10? Wait. 9:30. Confirm 9:30. 9:30. Refresh. Confirm. I'm going in at 9:30. 6 contracts. Slide to submit. Here we go. Submitted. Okay. So what's my ultimate reason? Pandemic, pent-up demand, and we got the lead big brother putting in billions by 1 quarter. That is my ultimate reason. All right. So I double check what happened to my MU just now. Oh, I'm in to buy. I bought MU already. Can you see? That means I got triggered at what price? Let me read out to you. MU I bought at 760. The market maker got tempted, enter into my zone, triggered at 760. How many of you got MU at 760? Wave your hands. All right, that's good. So that's the game plan, to bypass the market maker, bypass the implied volatility, bypass the Greeks. You always look opposite price. All right, so good. So right now I place the order ready and just wait, because we are still doing analysis. I'm not like rushing to buy it. All right. So MU, I'm already up 1.9%. Can you all see right now on your screen? It's already up 1.9%. Okay. So where's my let me show you this screen. Yeah. We are already up 1.9%, right? So how do I modify? How come this one cannot modify? Wait a minute. Cannot. Hang on a minute. I see whether I can show you guys or not. Nope, I can't show that. Modify. Okay. So let's continue. So, boys and girls, we are done on 2 companies already. And in this process, it has reinforced our commitment on FedEx. So, literally, our mind is freed up again. So, please give yourself a big round of applause. Yay! Can y'all go on with me, or y'all want to surrender already? How many of you are ready to trade some more? Hello? You're ready to trade some more? Okay. We got 2 more guys up there. And let's complete so we don't waste. We already shortlist the candidate. Now I'm going to do at a little bit faster pace. So Nike, we are done. I'll close my Nike down. Nike down. Now we only left with 2 more guys. First is Lana Corporation. What is this business all about? Home building activities, all right? Real estate home building activities, all right? So this is the one. So do a quick check. So this one is very weird, all right? I look at this, I don't feel comfortable already. Why? Look over here. Oops, hang on a minute. Share screen. Hang on a minute. Okay, here we go. Negative 800 million, negative 86, positive 230 million. But this Q4 box went down. All right. Looks like there are insiders selling. The Q4 box went down. Right. So the moment is weird. You don't feel comfortable. Remember just now all the past example is just keep going up. Yes. Hello. Confirm. Yep. So these are the details that we're looking for. So let's do our 3-minute check. Quarterly spikes. All right. So the real big money coming in is from FNR, 23%. The rest is small money, all right? So what's happening with FMR? So he have increased, he has been buying up consistently, all right, from 42% increase, 73% increase, 20. Okay, this FMR is building up a position. That's about it. My conclusion, not big, nothing big significant. Let's look at our top 100 money manager. Haha, it got killed here already. Okay, so where it got killed, please check. Negative 189 versus 10. Previous quarter, negative 173 versus 100. Before pandemic, also the same. It's always more top 100 selling. So I don't like it really, all right? Because something in me is inconsistent. That's it. I killed this company at this moment. No need to think already. Dang dang, gone, game over. And we are left with the last guy, Carnival Corp. What is this business all about? Offer cruises. No need to see already. Because you just need one crazy guy report fever, whether it's a real test or a false test, the guy have to come back already. So this one is heart attack. No point going struggle yourself like that, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, we done really a lot, you know. I really pushed the boundaries so that you all have the full benefit of it. How many of you really enjoy this process? Wave your hands, right? And I can tell you, this is the passion that will stay with you for life. This is what gets me excited in the analysis, all right? Really push the boundary, and let's do a summary of what we have covered tonight. Wow, we covered a lot of stuff, man. My God, this is madness. Here we go. So tonight, you came here and we started with the introduction of salvation. And what we do is, you know what, we share with you, this is the Nobel Prize winning formula. But more importantly, the real mastery of this chapter comes down to here. Here we go. Ding. Right over here. This is the mastery of the spiking salvation strategy. The ability to change from a buyer to a seller, seller back to a buyer, and the moment any stock price spikes down, you don't give up. Keep asking yourself how to get out in style and still make money. So with this basic introduction, this is the most important slide, all right? Because it pans down the sequence of execution. Once you get the sequence right, every step is just knowing your net position. And every step, ask yourself, am I a buyer right now? Or am I a seller right now? If I'm a buyer, how does a buyer make money? Buy low first, stop price goes up, sell high later, make money. Step 2, if I convert to a seller, how does a seller make money? Sell high first. What is high? Net credit, net credit. And as time decay, water falls fast on the current month, as the stock price goes down, walk out of your territory, you are able to achieve buy low later. And as a result, you straight away, you can get out in style. That is step 3. But don't forget, you're still left with a bought leg. Sell for whatever value it has, and thereby you fulfill the statement, get out in style and still make money. So tonight, it has been very, very productive because why? We completed 2 very good analyses of Micron and Nike and intertwined with FedEx. So we know we are on the right track. So let's pray hard tomorrow. We can demonstrate to you some of the sequences and how to manage the profit. And tomorrow, we're going to let you internalize tonight all the sequential steps. Keep firing off your questions at Wisdom. Tomorrow, we're going to answer every single one of your questions, all right? So don't worry about it. I need you to rest one night, internalize the steps. And this is a skill set you must pick up for the rest of your life. So thank you so much tonight. You really press on. Time check, 12:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to go for my 10,000 steps walking right now. I really missed for yesterday. I'm going to make up for my yesterday as in my Thursday. So thank you very much. See you guys later tonight. Good morning and good night. God bless. Bye-bye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. See you later. See you later. See you later on. All right. See you later on. Thank you. Goodbye. Woohoo. See you later. See you later. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.